doing? What's this? What's that? What are you doing when you do that? Now you mocking Mama. You doing this like Mama does. Yes. What the camera doesn't see is that I'm also doing that, and then he does it. What are you doing? What's that for? Adam, what are you doing? Are you imitating me? Yes. Can I have a kiss? Can Mama have hugs? Aww. Thank you. You trying to get over there?